What up? Let's get this cold start going. So I took the rhizomas off. Just gonna run these block off plates today. Just gonna, I like the way it looks. I think it looks cleaner. Alright. Today, cruising out to meet a buddy. He's getting a photo shoot done actually by my main photographer, the one that I use the most. If any of you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen his work. I'll post his page in the video here. Super talented dude. But yeah, I hooked my buddy up with him, so I'm going out to just chill with him while I do the shoot. No wave, you're too cool for me? Alright, buddy. Right, I'll catch up with you guys when I meet up with Marcos. Maybe I might actually ride his S1K too. If I do, I'll definitely record it in my thoughts and impressions. Never rode a S1K before, so that would be interesting. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Catch up with you guys in a little bit. Yes, sir. Ready? Right, see you later, brother. Here he goes. Alright. Met up with Marcos to head out to the photo shoot spot. The bike's looking sick. Just added some carbon. Literally just put the new Aero can on there last night too. Looks so much better. He had some eBay exhaust on there before this. Hey! Oh man. Listen to the snap. Those things sound so good. I love all bikes, man. I want one of each. Obviously, I love the crossplane. What we got here? 650 or something? Obviously, I love the crossplane. But then I hear these and I'm like, oh, but that sounds sick too. Yeah, I mean, the only solution, I need one of each. I want to hear all the sounds. So much better. But now I can't give him crap for his eBay exhaust. It's not even that it sounded that bad. It was just funny because the hole in the back of the eBay exhaust he had that on there was so tiny. It was like the tiniest little exhaust hole I've ever seen. It was adorable. But no, this thing looks proper now. Looks good, sounds good. I love that sound. I don't know if you could, if the camera picks that up. Like the two exhausts, when they mix together, the noise, it like starts wobbling. That's like the only way I can describe it. It sounds so sick.
Any problems getting in without a tag?
No.
Alright, why don't I pay for the tag then? Jeez. It's like $35.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. They have to have like a little lakefront tag.
What?
It looks dorky too. The Park District of Highland Park. Oh.
Oh.
I'm only the 8th person to do it since last year.
I just did the smile and wave.
Is that you? Damn, alright. Why pay the $35 then? Nice bike.
Thank you. Yeah, we made it to the photo shoot location. Got Marcos with S1K. Man, look at this turd.
Jab crap, bro.
No, it looks beautiful. Got some extra carbon on there. Just put the arrow on.
Yeah, sweet.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at this view.
Alright.
There's rear Norton that showed up. See you, man. This thing is cool. Oh, right on time.
Is that him?
Here comes Luke the Bow. It's almost like I planned it.
Alright, viral video. Me riding my bike on the beach. Riding it through the water.
You dropping your bike on the beach. It's the viral video. Alright, photo shoot's done. Yeah, Marco's on the R1M. I'm gonna take the S1K out for a spin, try it out. Let's get those startups first though. Whew. Sounds good. Oh. It'd be cool to see someone else on my bike. You know, you never get the perspective of, never really get to see what your bike looks like when you're riding it. Man, right off the bat, this thing is so much more upright than the R1. Sounds good. Brakes feel nice. Quick shifter. Oh, it's nice. Oh, the downshifts. So smooth. The R1's pretty smooth, but people are not lying. These things are super smooth. I can't even feel that it's downshifting. It's crazy. Super nimble. Yeah, this bike feels super easy to ride. I mean, the clutch engages super nice. Definitely doesn't feel as finicky as the R1 clutch. Damn, that's a good looking bike. That thing sounds crazy if you find it. The R1 is just so aggressive looking. I'm like, look at the tail on that thing. Oh, I love it. This just further confirms for me that I'm definitely on the right bike. Not only do I love being on it, riding it, but I mean, look at the way that thing looks, dude. It's crazy. Not that this bike doesn't look good too. Yeah, that R1, I think it's something else. Huh? Oh, man. that bike just makes everything else quiet. These guys are plugging their ears. That's hilarious. They weren't even on their side. Oh yeah, he figured out that if you breathe on that throttle, the pops and bangs go crazy. This thing feels very different though. Like I'm going 40 in third gear. If I were doing 40 in third gear on the R1, it would feel like it's kind of bogging down on me. Now this bike is totally comfortable. It's happy. The R1 definitely feels like it likes to be revved up a little bit higher. Oh, but these downshifts, oh. I wish the R1 just kind of like rolls into the downshifts. This thing just is much sharper. It sounds so good. This bike sits so much more upright. I mean, it's comfortable. I definitely I don't feel like I have to squeeze the tank on this bike as hard as I do on the R1 to take the weight off of my wrists. Yeah, the clutch is super forgiving on this. Oh yeah. He's loving it. Those pops and bangs are so fun. I have no idea what he said to me. Just nod. Just nod yes. Whatever you're saying, whatever that means, yes. Oh yeah. I can see what people mean though when they say that if you've like ridden any bike, you could pretty much hop on the S1K and feel comfortable. 100%. Like, this thing already feels at home. I've been on it for like 10 minutes. And I already feel used to it. It's weird. Power comes on super smooth. It's weird how upright I am though. I feel so upright. I almost feel like I'm riding a naked bike. Oh, this sounds so good. I love hearing these things just sing down the road. So at the last light he had a little trouble with the clutch. I wasn't surprised. I was surprised he did so well up until that point. I thought for sure he'd have a little trouble with the clutch. One thing I do notice about the way you're sitting on this, well yeah, it's definitely a little bit more comfortable. I feel like these bumps like smack you in the nuts way worse than the R1 does. Like, my nuts are kind of hurting a little bit. Maybe it's just a seat. The seat's very narrow on this. I think it just puts a little more pressure there. Alright. Now we get to see what she can do. definitely feels different when you're so high up, or so upright. I'm used to being crouched way over. Feels comfortable though. I like it. Pretty good. Very stable. High speed. Yeah, she feels good, boys. I hear a pop behind. Oh, he caught up. All right. I can't believe I could hear my bike popping behind me. Like, that's insane. This thing feels nimble. Man, that thing sounds good echoing. Alright, we'll see who's at street still. Are we really? Oh, no, we're pretty much like right on time. I said I would be here at 6:30. Chill, Ben, boy. There, the boys. You're out of gas.
I know.
How'd you like it?
It's way better than the other one.
The clutch is weird, right?
It's a little stiffer than mine.
Yeah.
That's why I stalled there. I'm like, what the fuck?
No, I was surprised how well you were doing, actually. I was surprised you didn't stall like right off the bat.
Well, yeah, that's why I go really slow when I grab someone's bike.
No, it was good, man. Dude, this thing's awesome.
Yours is pretty weird when like you pull the clutch in and you like let go of it a little bit.
Actually, no, you.
It's like
Yeah, we switched bikes. I wanted to try out the S1K. But yeah, no, the clutch, dude, this clutch is super forgiving. This quick shifter is so smooth.
right?
Dude, the downshifts, you don't even feel it.
Gas to go down or up.
Oh, really?
Like that? Like I tried downshifting and
You have to let go all the way to downshift. Yeah, I showed it to
you.
you.
Hold the throttle and down, up, down. It doesn't-
What? Dude. Yeah, the downshifts are nasty on
You
this.
could be doing 120 in 6th gear and just keep dropping it and just pin it.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, this thing's nice. I like it. Should I ride the Gixxer next? Sure. Alright. We'll catch up with you guys at TTS.